It is the summer, and so we decided to explore our neighboring province by going to none other than its most famous city, Vancouver. This is Andrew, and come and explore with me Canada's major western city by navigating through its famous landmarks, its oldest neighborhood, and its unique architecture. Through a series of videos, come and experience with me the city of Vancouver. So we are off to Vancouver now. We flew off from Calgary International Airport and we definitely had some time to kill.
You're gonna fall.
Okay, bye. Finally, the plane arrived and we boarded. The flight was about 1.5 hours long and we got to see some amazing views of downtown Calgary, the mountains, and of course, Vancouver. So we made it to Vancouver.
Yay, we landed!
We are in Vancouver for 3.5 days. As this is my first time here, the plan for the whole trip was to see some of the major attractions the city has to offer. Checked in our beautiful Airbnb.
Very cozy.
Very nice, yes. And now we're headed to Gastown to check that out.
What's in Gastown?
Lots of things. One of the most convenient and economical ways to go around Metro Vancouver is to take the SkyTrain. While we selected certain places to see, there were also spontaneous decisions made along the way. We first got off at Waterfront Station. We then walked and saw Canada Place, an iconic national landmark with roof fabrics which look like sails. It also houses Vancouver's main terminal for passenger cruise ships. We then headed to Gastown, which is Vancouver's oldest neighborhood and a commercial district. It is best known for its beautiful Victorian-style architecture with cobble streets. Today's Gastown is a vibrant area where you will find some of the city's best retail and dining options. Yes, the souvenir shops, vintage boutiques, art galleries, deco stores, breweries, cocktail joints, corner bars, all can be found here. Gastown clearly shows Vancouver's history mixed with today's lively atmosphere. Of course, the highlight and key tourist attraction of Gastown is the famous steam clock. Every hour, the steam clock whistles and rushes out steam. With limited time and so much to see, we decided to do the most touristy thing of all. We got on a city tour bus. The hop on and hop off cost us about $60 each, but it was a good way to sit back, learn, and see the major attractions in Vancouver. We started the tour in Gastown and it takes about 2 hours to complete. The city tour got us to explore the best of Vancouver as we drove through a series of cultural districts, parks, and famous landmarks. The tour also got us to see famous shopping spots, points of interest, and the unique buildings and architecture of Vancouver. With the end of our tour back in Gastown, we took the SkyTrain and headed back to our Airbnb. Stay tuned for the next video as we head to explore the popular Stanley Park.